Do you also want to become the best version of yourself? One who is mentally strong, physically fit, and emotionally balanced. You have big goals, you want to reach your full potential, but life keeps getting in the way. You constantly find yourself stuck in endless scrolling, college work, and daily responsibilities. As a result, you feel drained, unmotivated, and far from your best self. If that sounds like you, this video is for you. If you complete the 11 challenges I share in this video for the next 30 days, trust me, it will change your life physically, mentally, and emotionally. I guarantee that after 30 days, you will feel more confident, smarter, and more in control than ever. So if you are serious about transforming yourself, watch this video till the end and comment "I'm ready" in the comment section and let me know which habits you are excited to start. Habit number 1 is to take control of your mornings and night. The journey of self-improvement starts with taking control of your day. But what if your day controls you? What if your emotions decide your action? What if you feel tired, drained, and unmotivated all the time? The answer lies in simple shift, and that is to take control of just a few minutes in the morning and before bed. You can do it by adding a routine of reading something inspiring before bed and meditating right after waking up. But wait. You don't have to do it all at once. You can start with just one page and with 5 minutes. That's it, and you have done it. Trust me, these 2 shifts will add magic into your life. Practicing mindfulness in the morning will make you feel energetic and in control throughout the day, while reading before the bed will relax your state of mind, by which you will be recharged and ready for the next day. Habit number 2 is plan your day. You control your mornings and night, but what if you have no clear direction for your day? You wake up late, you have no clear priorities, and you end up feeling unproductive and stuck. So, how can you fix this? You can fix it by setting 3 non-negotiable goals for each day, the most important task that will move you forward. Don't overthink, just focus on getting them done. Every day is a fresh start, a new chance to get closer to your best self. And planning your day will give your brain a clear direction, helping you to focus on what truly matters while avoiding distractions that waste most of your time. So, win your days and trust me, you will start to bring in life. Habit number 3 is reflect and improve daily. Just imagine you are putting in the effort, working hard every day, but nothing seems to change. No progress, no results. Would you keep going without thinking, or would you stop and check what's working and what's not? That's why reflection is key in self-improvement. It helps you to identify mistakes, learn from them, and adjust your approach so you don't waste time on things that don't really work. So plan your days and weeks and take time to reflect on what's working and what needs to change. This way, you will get the best results in a short time. And sometimes the best way to improve is with support. That's where your 4th habit comes in. Habit number 4 is surround yourself with smart and positive people. The people around you, knowingly and unknowingly, influence your thoughts, habits, and mindset more than you realize. You may have noticed if your friends always complain and avoid challenges, you might start doing the same. In contrast, when you are with someone who is driven, positive, and always learning, their mindset starts to influence you. You start to think bigger, take actions, and improve yourself naturally. Your environment starts to shape you. So, choose to be around people who push you to grow, uplift you, and bring out best in you, not those who hold you back. Self-improvement is not just about working hard. It's about making the journey enjoyable too. And here comes the 5th habit, and it's one of my favorite. Habit number 5 is smile more even if you don't feel like it. You might be wondering, smiling and enjoying doesn't really matter in self-improvement. But the truth is, when you are happy and in a good mood, you are more likely to take action, stay motivated, and handle challenges with a clear mind. So don't forget to celebrate small wins, do what makes you happy, and just enjoy the process. Habit number 6 is don't just learn, apply it. Learning new things feels great. You watch videos, read books, and get inspired. But if you never apply what you have learned, what's the point? You are watching this video right now, but if you don't put anything into action, nothing in your life will really change. Self-improvement is not about how much you know, it's about what you do with what you know. So don't just learn, don't just read, and don't just watch. Apply it. The more you apply, the more skilled and confident you will become in what you do. Yes, it might feel challenging at first, but keep going. Embrace a growth mindset and you will become skilled at anything you set your mind to. Habit number 7 is Stay away from negativity. When it comes to improving yourself, it becomes crucial for you where you invest your time, energy, and mental health. Whether it's from people, drama, or useless content, it slowly drains your motivation and focus. It might seem like a small thing, but it gradually shapes your thoughts, influences your actions, and eventually overall life. So be mindful of where you invest your energy, surround yourself with uplifting people, focus on things that inspire you, and cut out distractions that hold you back. The less negativity you will allow, the more space you will create for growth, confidence, and success. Habit number 8 is flow with life and just free yourself. Imagine you are trying to climb a mountain while carrying a heavy backpack filled with unnecessary weight. Will that help you to move faster? Of course not. That's exactly what negative emotion do to your self-improvement journey. Unnecessary comparison, hate, jealousy, and past experiences slows you down. To actually grow in life, you need to let go of them. And you can do that by writing things down, talking to a friend, or meditating. When you free yourself from this baggage time to time, you will notice you're moving forward with ease and speed. Habit number 9 is face your fears. Think about something you have always wanted to do but never tried because of some fear. Maybe it's starting a new project, speaking in public, or chasing a dream you have been putting off. Take Elon Musk for example. When he started SpaceX, experts doubted him. His first 3 rocket launches failed and he almost lost everything. But instead of giving up, he faced his fear of failure, learned from his mistakes, and just kept going. Today, SpaceX is one of the most successful space companies in the world. Fear is a natural part of growth. What sets successful people apart is that they don't let fear stop them. They embrace it, learn from it, and move forward. So the next time you feel nervous about stepping outside your comfort zone, remind yourself it feels scary because it's unfamiliar, not because you are incapable. Take that first step and you will see how capable you really are. Habit number 10 is love yourself unconditionally. Self-improvement is not just about achieving goals, it's becoming the best version of yourself. And that starts with loving yourself. Think about it. How can you grow if you constantly doubt yourself? How can you stay motivated if you are always criticizing yourself? Loving yourself means accepting who you are while working toward who you want to be. It gives you the confidence to take action, the patience to learn from mistakes, and the strength to keep going even when things get tough. So before chasing big changes, start with the most important one. Treat yourself with kindness, support yourself like a best friend, and believe that you're worthy of growth. Number 11. Stay healthy. You focus on growing mentally and emotionally, but what about the most important factor in self-improvement? Your health. Your growth depends on a strong body just as much as a strong mind. And staying healthy comes down to 4 simple things: exercise, nutrition, sleep, and water. Implementing healthy habits into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent habits can make a huge difference. And here is how you can do it. Number 1. You don't need long gym sessions. Just 30 minutes of movement is enough. You can try a morning walk, stretching, or body weight exercises at home. Number 2. Focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Number 3. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. And number 4. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily or more if you are active. By making these small shifts parts of your daily routine, you will feel stronger, sharper, and more energetic, ready to take on self-improvement at your best. So there you have it. 11 self-improvement habits to follow for 30 days. If it feels overwhelming, just start with 2 to 3 that feels easier for you and add more over time. Remember, progress beats perfection. Small steps lead to big changes. Trust me, these habits have the power to transform your life. So keep improving, learning from mistakes, and growing into your best self. And don't worry, I will be here to guide you along the way.